In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change iCloud email address. Before we start, it's crucial to understand how Apple handles emails. Your iCloud email, the one that ends in @icloud.com, is tied to your Apple account. You can't rename or directly change that address. What you can change is the email you use to sign into your Apple ID. If your Apple ID already uses an @icloud.com address, it usually can't be switched to a different iCloud address. With that in mind, I'll walk you through two practical paths: updating your Apple ID login email or creating an iCloud email alias as a clean, effective workaround. If your current Apple ID uses a non-iCloud email like Gmail or Yahoo, you can change your login email. Open a web browser and go to account.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID credentials. Once you're in, go to Sign In and Security, then select Apple ID or email. Enter the new email address you want to use as your login. Make sure you have access to that inbox because Apple will send a verification code to confirm it's really you. Check your email, grab the code, return to the page, and enter it to verify. After you confirm, your Apple ID login email is updated. All your data, purchases, and iCloud content remain exactly the same. On your devices, you may be prompted to sign in again with the new email. Just follow the on-screen prompts. If what you really want is a new iCloud email name for sending and receiving mail, create an iCloud alias instead. Go to iCloud.com and sign in, then open Mail. Click the gear icon for settings. Depending on the layout you see, go to Accounts or Preferences and choose Add Alias. Create your new @iCloud.com address, confirm your choices, and save. From now on, you can send and receive email using this alias while keeping your original iCloud account intact. It's a great way to use a cleaner address for specific purposes without changing your main login or moving data. To choose the best route, match it to your goal. If you want a new login email, change your Apple ID email on Apple's website. If you want a new iCloud email name for everyday messaging, create an alias in iCloud Mail. And if you truly want a completely fresh identity, consider creating a new Apple ID. That's it. Keep the limitations in mind, verify any new email promptly, and you'll be set up smoothly.